Racing just started. We have okay. Approved break quickly to start. Amazing Damascus in second. And Shuttler's Treasure moving up on the outside. Witness in Manila. Good job in the middle. Then next online is My Little Grace. And going along for the first turn we have okay. Approved by about 3 lengths. Mamika now in second. Amazing Damascus is racing in third. Shuttler's Treasure comes next. Good job. Moving up on the outside now is Nueve de Febrero. Then comes Witness in Manila. Then next online now is Amazing Damascus. And out on the inside comes Miss Delicious. Another fourth turn we have okay. Approved by about 3/4 of a length lead. Mamika in second. Shuttler's Treasure is racing in third. Good job now coming closer. Nueve de Febrero comes next. Alongside comes Witness in Manila. And as they swing for home, we are okay. Approved this time by about 4 lengths. Mamika is still in second. And moving up now on the outside now is Good Job. In the middle portion comes Shuttler's Treasure with about 100 meters of the race. We have okay. Approved by about 3 lengths. Followed by Mamika in second. And finally it's okay. Approved. Mamika, then comes Shuttler's Treasure, then comes Good Job, 9 de Febrero.
1